Hi guys, this is gonna be a 2022 remake of the Windmere floor fan. Now I'm collecting. I got this from my grandparents when I was in Michigan. I think I got this last year. Found it in the basement, and they said I could have it. So high and low, 2 speeds, low. That blows some pretty good air. And I have water portable fans here, including all the fans in here. Yeah, I do have 50 fans in my collection. The glowing low. Oh. Here's high. See how far I can feel it. I can definitely feel from back here. Pretty decent. Yeah, but we're just going in the kitchen at my future house to bend down. We got to do ugly in the car. Bend down. Thanks for watching.